I've never worked with ebony before, and this is one of the most unusual pieces I could have started with. It is extremely dense, incredibly hard on tools, and its natural contrast almost looks like yin and yang. Today I'm turning it into a luxury design bowl, but with wood this hard, even creating a simple shape can become a serious challenge. Thank you so much for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. I have big dreams for my woodworking because I love creating things with my hands. To me, wood is one of the most beautiful materials in the world, especially rare and exotic hardwoods. Taking a rough piece of wood and shaping it into something special is what I love the most, and that is why making this piece means so much to me.